Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn from class 10 computer science chapter 4 links and frames in HTML5. In the previous videos already have completed how to create tables inserting images. In the chapter 3 already have completed that. So let's start. Links are the most important part of the World Wide Web. The strength of the World Wide Web lies in its ability to link several web pages together. Linking is a useful feature supported by HTML5 that makes it possible to define hyperlinks to other web pages containing information across the internet and allows users to gain access to any of the desired documents with just a click. So, hyperlinks used interchangeably stand for hypertext links, but mainly for hypertext links. So, simply we can say that a hyperlink is a unidirectional pointer from the source document that contains the link to some destination within the same web page, a different web page or even a different websites. So, linking is a powerful ability on World Wide Web. For what purpose? To display the several web pages on the internet. Many informations are there on internet which it is not possible to cover it on a particular web page. So, because of that different informations are there. So, those different informations it has created in HTML document in different files or documents, and that documents how we can access it with the help of a link we can open or access it. So, you can say link is possible because every document on the web has a unique address. How it is possible? Because every document it has a unique address which is called uniform resource locator. Links are generally indicated by an underlining text. How you can understand that it has a link? It will be underlined text and appear in a different color also. Usually blue or purple color you will see it, depending on whether the link object has been visited or not. If it is visited, different color, the color will change. If it is not visited, the link, then the default color will be display. And in a link and image also you can check there is a link or not. Image, the border of the image will also appear as blue or purple unless its attribute is set to 0. Okay. And in the previous chapter you had already learned how to create tables and insert images in HTML document. Now, in this chapter you will learn about the important HTML elements like hyperlinks and frames, and you will also learn to insert multimedia objects in a web page. So, let us start hyperlink. Linkings. Hyperlinks, or simply called links, are the most important part of the World Wide Web. Links tie web pages together in the website or across various websites. On any particular information or topic, if you have created different HTML documents, that one you can connect it with the help of the hyperlinks. You can open it with the help of the hyperlinks also. Hyperlinks. A link or hyperlinks it can be a word also, or it can be a group of words, or it can be an image that is used to jump to another document in the same website or another website also, or on the same section also you can jump. When you move the mouse pointer over a link, the mouse pointer changes in its shape from an arrow or to a small hand. How will you identify that the text or the graphic as a link? For that you need to move or bring the cursor over the text or the graphics. At that time what you will see, the pointer from arrow sign, it will change into a small hand. If it is changed into a small hand, you make sure there is a hyperlink. Okay. There are three different kinds of links. First is internet, local and global. Okay. Internet link is what? It is a link to a different section of the current document. On the current document, different section you can jump in. And local link is what? A link to another page on the same website. From the same website, you can go move to the or jump to the another page. Global is you can create a different website from a particular website, that is called global link. So, in this chapter we will discuss in details how to link one page another on the same or different website, and also how to create a link to a point on the same page. Now, to create the link, what are the elements or tags are required? Okay, for that we need the elements or tag, anchor tag which will be enclosed with angle bracket a HTML tag that we use to create a link is called the anchor tag. This tag is contain element as it has an on tag a and off tag a. As you know that which is called the container tag, the tag which is having the starting tag which is the corresponding ending tag, that is called the on tag. That means here you see this is the starting tag, or it is called on tag, and this is the ending tag, and the or which is called off tag. So, those tags do not have the off tag, that are called empty element. Okay, anchor tag, this is the main tag, anchor tag. Now, to get the location, your uniform resource locator, not the location of the file, we need to use these attributes, which is the one href attribute, the href attribute of the anchor tag. This is very important. Okay, and with anchor tag we will use the href attribute. The href or hypertext reference attribute of the anchor tag is used to set the URL of the target resource. That means set the URL from where it will pick the file or the document, that location it will be set, which is the address of the document to link to. Okay, that is the one. The href attribute of the anchor tag specifies the destination page or file. That means the destination of the file or the page it will specifies. If you are linking to a page on the web, the complete address of the page is required. If you are linking to a page, different page, the complete address of the page is required. However, if you are linking to a page in the same directory as the current page, you just need the page name only. Okay. On the same directory, same folder directory, we share folder, same folder, then only you need to know the name of the file. Syntax for creating a link is as follows. Anchor tag, as you know that anchor tag will use for creating link, and then href attribute you need to type equal to URL. It is example only given. That means you need to type the file name of the document. Then here will type, here txt is written, it can be another word also. The word which will type within this anchor tag, that text will create a link. Here you need to click here, then this will open it. Alright. So, anchor tag href URL, that means the file name of the document, and text and closing tag. For example, if the words text page, this is the word, on this word if you have to create a link are to be added as a link to an HTML file, the code will be written like this, anchor tag href and the file name. That means which file you want to give a link on this next page text, that file name you need to type. As you know that the HTML document files are saved as HTML extension. That means file name is, it can be your name, or if you type as a file name dot HTML, the next page, and this next page on this particular word will create a link or add as a link. Okay. Now we will create an HTML document hyperlink. For creating HTML hyperlink, we need to open Notepad. So let's see how to create a hyperlink. First of all, we will open Notepad. On Notepad, we type doctype HTML. Students, I am creating an HTML hyperlink document from your textbook, page number 72-73. You can check it. On that page number 72, first page.html, and 73, next page is HTML. This first page.html is actually the file name of the HTML document. There are two HTML documents here. The first one which I am creating now, this will save as first page.html, and another document on the page 73 now is there, that I will create on separate notepad. Separately I will create it on notepad and will save as next page.html. That means file name will give next page.html. Okay, so let's create it. HTML head, then title. Let us give the title creating links, and we'll close the title. Then we'll close the head, and then we'll close we'll start the body. We'll start body, and we'll create the link. For that we'll type anchor tag a href, then double quotation start, next page dot html, then we'll type the text on which we'll add the hyperlink. This is a link. To a page on the same website. Okay, same website. And we put the anchor tag. Then we'll give the break the line to go to create the new line. Okay. Then anchor tag again, another one, href is equal to double quotation, and here we'll give the link of website. Website we will open it, www.oup.com. This is a link to another website. Okay. Then we will close the body and we'll close HTML. So one is finished. Then we go to file, we'll save it, and we'll choose the location where we want to save it. No, here I am saving it. And I'll type the file name. What is the file name? First page.html, and save as type all files, save. Okay, finished, right? Okay, then we'll create next one, nextpage.com .html, new notepad document. We'll open it, new, and here we'll type type HTML head title. What is the title will give? Same, creating links, and title will close it. Then we'll close the head. Then we'll start the body. Will start it. Then we'll type the body here. Heading they have given, no, heading H1. Heading will give, what is the heading? Welcome. Then H1 will close it. Then we will create the anchor tag. That means link is equal to the first HTML document we save as with what file name? First page.html. No? So first page.html. That file name we type it. Then we give the words, no, where it will add a link. No, click here to go back to the previous page. No, then we will close it. Then we close body. Then we close HTML. Right? Then we save it. Go to file, save. Go to file, save, and choose the location. Type the file name as it is given on the textbook, nextpage.com. Type nextpage.com, and here all files, save. Okay. Then we'll go to the folder where we have saved it. This is the folder. Here I have saved. First one is first page.html, next page. So first page I will open it. Here you see this is a link to a page on the same page, same website. Now here I click it. So when I click, you see welcome. Okay, click here to go back to the previous page. No, already we have created the link. No, yes, the previous. This is a link to another website. No, what website we have tagged? That is oaf.com. No, if you have connected the internet, then it will direct open the oaf.com. Oaf.com it will open. If you have connected the internet, then it will display oaf.com, that web page. So this is the way we can create the link. Okay, let's show you here again. This is the we have created two notepad. Okay, two HTML document on notepad. First one, this one, and we have given the nextpage.html that file name. No? And this document, first document we have saved as file name firstpage.html, and second one you see we will save as nextpage.html. And when you open it, you see it has created blue and purple color. No, if it is purple, that means it has already visited. Okay, already visited. Right, this also visited, but because of the net, it is not opening. Okay. Okay. So this is the way we can create the hyperlinks on HTML document. To this, thank you very much.